In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily deposit crypto to the platform BitMart. First, we need our deposit address, and to get there, we simply go up here to Assets and then click on Spot. Then we get to this page and click right here on Deposit. Then we select the coin up here and a network. Some coins can be sent over different networks. Just make sure to use the same network as the one you're sending from. In this case, I will use USDC and the Ethereum network. And then down here, I can see my personal deposit address, which I can easily copy to my clipboard in here. Once we've copied our deposit address, we can now send money to that address from another exchange or our own wallet. In this example, I'm here in my Coinbase account, so another exchange where I can easily buy crypto with fiat currencies. And I've just gone here to my USDC balance, where I've bought some USDC, and then I've simply pasted the address right here as the recipient. Down here I've chosen the same network, so Ethereum in this case, and then all I need to do is just click down here on Send Now, and the money will be sent over. The same applies if you already have some crypto in your own wallet. Again, I have some USDC in my wallet in here. I've chosen the same network, Ethereum in this case, and I've pasted the address I copied here as the recipient address. Then I can simply enter any amount in here and click on Send to send the money over to the exchange. If you also want to know how to deposit fiat, for example euro, I've linked you a separate tutorial right here on how to deposit with a bank transfer, a Visa or MasterCard, Apple Pay, or even PayPal completely for free. For the best sign up bonus, you will find the sign up link in the description, and if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.